Hey guys, welcome to Meatless Mondays. We're going to do some Swiss chard and pinto bean enchiladas. Here's the ingredient list for the enchiladas. I didn't make a video for this part, but this is a cilantro sauce that you can put on top of the enchiladas. Optional, but it's pretty tasty, so I recommend it. Just mix all those ingredients up. First thing you're going to do is heat up a tablespoon of the oil and add in half of your minced onions and start to brown those up. This is going to be the base of the sauce for everything else, so you do this first. Add in the garlic, let that simmer and cook a little bit, and then you're going to add your spices. Cook with the cumin and chili powder and salt and sugar. Let that start to get fragrant, and then you're going to add your tomato sauce and then just let that simmer on the back burner for a bit while you do the rest of the recipe. Then you're going to start sauteing the other half of the onions in a large pan. Really want to get the onions caramelized up at this point. Add in the garlic, add in the bell peppers, and add in the Swiss chard. You need to let that all cook down and reduce down into a smaller amount of volume. You're going to add about half of the pinto beans, which you blended up in a food processor. Stir that in, and then add the rest of the whole pinto beans in with the rest of the ingredients. You're going to add in some of the sauce, about half a cup, and let that all simmer and combine. Now it's assembly time. You're gonna get a oven-proof pan and you're gonna seal the bottom off with some sauce. Just cover it. Then you're gonna take your previously warmed corn tortillas, put a little bit of the filling in, roll it up and stick it in the pan, and just repeat this until you fill up the pan with your enchiladas. Top off your enchiladas with the remaining sauce, cover, and then you're going to bake at 450 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, just until everything gets cooked through. For the final portion, serve out your enchiladas, top it with avocados, lime wedges, and cilantro, and enjoy.